What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very brief but hopefully helpful product review. I'm going to be sharing with you some details and what I've learned since trying this lean vegan protein. It is by the brand LIV Body. This product comes from a fresh new brand. I'll put a link to their website in the description box down below if you're interested in checking them out. This brand really caught my attention because of the integrity of their products and how much emphasis is placed on making sure that they're providing high quality options for people who are trying to live a healthier lifestyle. All of their products are natural. They do not contain any artificial sweeteners, fillers, colors, or any unnecessary additives. A lot of their products are also gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and contain organic ingredients. With other brands of protein powders, I've seen just a few flavors that are common. You usually have the chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, pretty standard flavors that are offered from different brands that offer protein powders. But LIV Body, they have a bunch of fun flavors, and I'm going to list a few of them for you now. It was so hard for me to choose which one to start off with, but I actually went with the chocolate mocha. Some of the other flavors that they have include pumpkin pie, cake batter, frosted oatmeal cookie, peanut butter chocolate, Fruitios, and German chocolate cake. All of those sound so good to me, and I can imagine them in a shake like with banana or almond milk. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get my hands on some other flavors. It is a plant-based protein powder, as I mentioned before, which is a huge plus. The first ingredient that you'll see on the ingredients list is pea protein. So pea protein is actually a high-quality protein. It is rich in iron, and it's very easily digestible, as well as compatible with many different diets, whether you're vegan, try to be dairy free, or what have you. The LIV Body brand actually does also offer a whey protein option. If that's what you're interested in looking into, I would definitely do that. Yeah, so I tried the chocolate mocha lean vegan protein, and it was super good. Able to make a super easy and simple but yummy protein shake with this. It can be taken either before a workout or after a workout. My schedule is crazy, so I don't always work out at the same time of day, but I always make sure to get in a protein shake somewhere during my day. Aside from being able to use this like in protein shakes or smoothies, you could also use this just with water or your preferred beverage of choice. You could literally just mix this with a liquid and have it that way if you're not near a blender or you don't want to have to deal with that. You could even use it to bake different protein snacks like protein muffins or cookies, whatever you want to use this for. However creative you want to get, this can work with all of your ideas. This protein powder also has only 3 grams of carbs per serving, and this whole container provides 25 servings. So let's say you're using 1 serving a day, that will get you through almost a month, which is really good to me. And this LIV Body protein has something that I haven't really seen in any other protein powder that I've come across. It has added digestive enzymes, focus, which it says right here, which are intended to enhance digestion and improve the bioavailability of all the healthy nutrients that are in this product. You get 24 grams of protein per serving, which can give you the boost that you might need, like I do, to ensure that you're getting or hitting that goal that you set for yourself for your protein intake. So like I said, I would definitely recommend trying out their different flavors. I love that they have fun and exciting flavors so that you're not getting bored constantly using, you know, plain things like chocolate or vanilla or strawberry. When you're taking a protein powder consistently, it can be hard to switch up your diet when there aren't that many flavors on the market. They are one of the few brands that are actually trying to spice things up and give us more options to work with. It's great that they are also trying to give us options for different dietary needs. Like I said, go ahead and check out the link below in the description box to take a look at what other products they have to offer. They have a bunch of different supplements that you may be interested in. I hope you guys got something useful out of this in case it's something that you've been wanting to try. If you have any questions, anything in particular that I didn't address, please definitely feel free to comment or send me a message on Instagram. I'm always on there. Thank you guys so much for watching this today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.